Welcome to the lecture series on basic mathematics. I am Dr. Mohammad Mazharul Haq. We have started matrices and have seen the definition of matrix and the operations of matrices we are seeing. In that, addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication, and the multiplication we have seen already. Now we will continue this operation of matrices. So today's objective is to understand what is the meaning of binary operations, binary matrix operations in detail. Already we have seen this binary is in the form of scalar combinations. So these linear combinations also we'll see in detail. First, commutative law of addition. So commutativeness, this is also known as abelian or commutative. Means what is the meaning of this is whenever we are taking the product of two matrices or addition of two matrices, we are well familiar with that addition of two numbers is same. Means 2 plus 3 you can write 3 plus 2. ये हमको पता है, we know that. In the same way, अगर हम matrices का addition करेंगे a plus b, that will be same b plus a. This is the commutative law of addition. But this commutative law of multiplication is not possible. This is possible only for addition in matrices. Matrices में सिर्फ addition के लिए ये commutative law true है. Addition of two matrices you can write in any way. दोनों matrix के addition को हम किसी भी तरह से लिखेंगे. The resultant value will be same. Now the next one is the associative law. This associative law requires three matrices. इसके लिए हमको तीन matrix लगेंगे. And this says that addition of three matrices, whenever we are writing this A plus B plus C or A plus B plus C, ये दोनों वे में कोई भी वे आप अगर चूज करोगे, so the value will be same. So this means A plus B plus C is same as A plus B plus C. This is known as associative law, and this is obvious that the order is what? Order of these matrices must be same. Associative law of multiplication is also true, but this is in this way that A into B into C is equals to AB into C. Keep in mind, ये mind में रखो कि commutative law of multiplication true नहीं है, but the associative law of the multiplication is true. A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. ये associative law है. इसके ऊपर हम examples भी लेंगे, लेकिन in detail हमने कौन कौन से law देखे? What we have seen, first law in the binary matrix operations is commutative law. A plus B is equals to B plus A. Associative law, दो ही लॉ देखे हमने सिर्फ, बाइनरी एक कम्यूटेटिव लॉ और दूसरा एसोसिएटिव. एसोसिएटिव में सिर्फ दोनों एडिशन और मल्टीप्लीकेशन के लिए ट्रू है. A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. And for multiplication, A into B into C, AB into C. Let us take one example. But before that, let us understand distributive law. This is also one of the important law. Distributive law means this distribute. ये distribute होगा. Addition, subtract, addition multiplication पे या multiplication addition पे. So this is addition and this is multiplication. A into C plus D, ये distribute हो रहा है multiplication addition पे. A into C plus A into D. या फिर reverse way में A plus B into C is AC plus BC. Distributive law. Again I am repeating what are the laws. First law, commutative law, A plus B is equals to B plus A. Associative law, A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. This A plus B plus C. पहले ये दोनों को ऐड करेंगे फिर ये, यहाँ पे पहले ये दोनों को ऐड करेंगे फिर ये. Likewise, this multiplication A into B into C. So first we will multiply these two, then we will multiply to this. Here also, यहाँ पर भी पहले ये दोनों को multiply करेंगे AB into C. And what distributive law says, A into C plus D. This means पहले ये दोनों का addition करेंगे, then we will multiply this to A. Here पहले ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर ये दो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर एडिशन लेंगे। लाइकवाइज हियर विल ऐड दिस, यहाँ पे ये दोनों ऐड करेंगे, फिर इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। हियर विल मल्टीप्लाई हियर this and this, then after addition. So these laws are very important one for the matrices. इसके examples से हमको और clear हो जाएगा. We'll get clear with the help of examples. So let us begin with these three matrices A, B and C. See the order of these matrices and what we want to prove. We want to check the associative law of multiplication of matrices. इसको हमको illustrate करना है. What is the order of this matrix? इसका order क्या है? Yes, tell me. क्या है इसका order? 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, 2 columns. So 3 by 2. What is the order of this matrix? Yeah, 2 by 2. This is very simple. This is also 2 by 2. So let us apply the associative law. Associative law of multiplication says A into B into C plus, sorry, is equals to AB is into C. This one. Associative law A into B into C, AB into C. तो हम पहले B into C कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे, फिर A से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So let us apply this. B into C. What is B? 2 by 2 matrix 2, 5, 9, 6. And this C is 2, 1, 3, 5. So multiplication is what? This row, this column. पहले फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो पहला एलिमेंट, फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम सेकंड एलिमेंट, फर्स्ट सेकंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम थर्ड, likewise fourth. 2 into 2 4 plus 5 into 3 9. 2 into 2 4 plus 5 into 3, 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 4 19. First row second column 2 into 1 2 plus 5 into 5 25 plus 2 27. This row, this column, 9 into 2, 18, plus 6 into 3, 18, 18 plus 18, 36. This row into this column, 9 into 1, 9, plus 6 into 5, 30, 39. Now, we'll multiply A to this matrix. So, A is what? This one, 1, 2, 3, 5, 0, 2, and this one, 2 by 2 matrix. But before applying the multiplication, we must check, पहले हमको check करना पड़ेगा whether the matrix multiplication is possible or not. Order of this matrix 3 by 2. Order of this matrix 2 by 2. तो matrix multiplication में number of columns of the first must be same to the number of rows of the second. What? क्या है? पहले मैट्रिक्स के में जितने कॉलम हैं उतने ही रो दूसरे मैट्रिक्स में होने चाहिए. So see, the number of columns in the first matrix is 2. And in the second matrix number of rows are 2. तो सेम है तो मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल है. अब हम इसको रो को फिक्स करेंगे और कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम दैट विल बी द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम दैट विल बी द सेकंड एलिमेंट. Likewise for the second row and for the third row same is the process. So I am directly taking the multiplication. You try this. If not, then we'll see in detail this. Matrix multiplication already we have seen in the previous lecture. So this matrix multiplication gives us this matrix. Now this is one side of the associative law. So let us take the right, this is the left hand side value. ये left hand side की value है. Now in the similar way we'll calculate the right hand side value. For that we'll multiply A into B. So again matrix multiplication of this is possible or not? 3 by 2, 2 by 2. Yes, possible. Number of columns इसमें 2 हैं, 2 हैं और इसके अंदर भी 2 है. So same है. So 3 by 2 is the resultant matrix. This is the matrix multiplication. Now we will multiply this to matrix C. Again see here the order of this matrix is 3 by 2 and this is 2 by 2. So just see in the same way we are multiplying this and we are getting these values. And keep in mind this value and this value is same. You can check this at your own. Try this matrix multiplication. Yeah. So by comparing this we can say A into B into C is equals to ए बी इंटू सी, दोनों मैट्रिक्स सेम है तो ये दोनों वैल्यूज सेम रहेंगे. सो associative law illustrate हो गया. Now let us take the another example. For this given matrices, we have to check AB is equals to BA for this specific one. So this is 2 by 2 matrix, this is 2 by 2 matrix. Directly we'll apply the matrix multiplication because क्यों matrix multiplication possible है. जब भी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स आएंगे, सेम ऑर्डर के मैट्रिक्स आएंगे तो स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स में मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल रहता है. So this is 2 by 2, 2 by 2, resultant matrix will be 2 by 2. So this is, just take the values, multiply this 6 into minus 3, 18, minus 18, plus 3 into 1, minus 18 plus 3, that is minus 15. Likewise 6 into 2, 12, 3 into 5, 15, 12 plus 15, 27. This second row into first column, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, plus 5 into 1, 5, minus 6 plus 5, minus 1. 2 into 2, 4, plus 5 into 5, 25, plus 4, 29. सेम अभी रिवर्स वे में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. B into A, पहले ये मैट्रिक्स, then this matrix. So the matrix multiplication, if you observe, see, this is what we are getting different values. Matrix multiplication करो, just try this. Check whether I am taking these values are right or not. So by observing these two, you can say that these two are not equal. And this is the important thing, that AB into BA is not equal for the matrices. Again take one example. So if you want, just look through this. AB, BA, matrix multiplication is not commutative, you can say. So let us take one another example. This says we have to verify this associative law and this distributive law. So let us calculate A into B first. ये matrix 2 by 2. The matrix multiplication rule, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3. First row, 2 columns. Second row, these 2 columns. Minus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2. First row, second column. Minus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 3. So just simplify this, you will get 6, 7, 2, 7. A भी मिल गया, इसको C से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Before that, let us calculate this BC also. See, in the same way, you will get minus 4, 2, 0, 2. So now, we will calculate this B plus C also, because this AC, AB also. So AC is 1, 1, 12, minus 2. Look out this, these values you have to calculate and write out this. If you want, you have to write out this on the paper. Until and even you will get only the glimpse of this. सिर्फ ऊपर ऊपर से समझ में आएगा, जब तक नहीं लिखेंगे तब तक समझ में नहीं आएगा. You have to write down this. इसको write out करके ही practice कर सकते हो आप. Let us take B plus C. So addition is simple, element wise. So this is minus 1, 2, 4, 3. Now let us multiply AB into C. These two matrices, AB का product हमको मिल गया 6, 7, 2, 7 C है. 6, 7, 2, 7. So we are multiplying this to C. Again the same matrix multiplication is there. So this is minus 4, 6, 8, 2. Now अभी क्या करेंगे, BC को A से multiply करेंगे. So multiply BC, this already we got, multiply this A. And if you observe, by just multiplying, write down this. इसको write out करके ही calculation check कर सकते हो आप. This minus 4, 6, 8, 2. And if you observe this 1 and 2, these two are nothing but the same. This means AB into C is equals to A into BC. And that is nothing but associative law. AB into C is equals to A into BC. So we have proved the first thing. AB into C is equals to A into BC. Now the second thing, A into B plus C is equals to AB plus AC. This also we has to prove. So B plus C already we has calculated. उसको multiply करेंगे A से. The matrix multiplication is as usual. Try this. So you are getting 7, 8, 14, 5. And AB और AC का हमने calculation किया है. AB and AC, just add these two, you will get this, the same one. So distributive law is also verified here. So these are very important laws and these are true for the matrices. ये matrices के लिए true है. अब यहाँ पे ये multiplication, addition जब तक आप solve करके नहीं देखोगे, you will not get. So try to write out this and try to verify whether I am doing this right calculation or not. So these are some binary operations we have seen, and the linear combination also we have seen. So you have to make some practice of this. So this is very important laws. You must be well familiar with this. Binary matrix में क्या, binary operations में कौन कौन से laws देखे हमने? Commutative, associative for both addition and multiplication, and distributive. And उसको हमने linear combination में use किया है. Thank you.